Good morning, brothers and sisters. My name is Brother Josh.
And I'm Sister Lizelle. And
today we're going to make slime!
For ingredients you need
2 containers, one for the saline and one for mixing.
And then you need
A full bottle of glue.
And then you need
Saline.
Make sure it has boric acid. And then
Baking soda.
And then
A stirring spoon.
And
Food coloring.
And just to make sure,
Measuring spoon.
Now it's time to make some slime. Get your container for mixing and your bottle of glue. Pour in all of the glue from the bottle. Make sure to get all of the glue out. Push and squeeze the bottle as much as you can. Ready to move on, brothers and sisters? If you have any food coloring, get it out now. In this video, we're going to use green, but you can use any color that you'd like. Put in the food coloring onto the glue and mix well. Now, get your other mixing container, baking soda, and measuring spoons. You'll need 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure to put it into the other container and not the glue. Take a pinch from the baking soda and put it into the glue and mix. Now, get the saline solution, also known as contact solution. You'll need 1 tablespoon. Make sure to use your measuring spoons. Pour the saline into the baking soda as well as a drizzle into the glue, mixing one more time. Mix the baking soda and the saline solution together. Make sure to mix it well so that the baking soda is fully dissolved into the saline. Now add in a small splash from the solution into the glue mixture and mix well. Add in another splash. Keep mixing, brothers and sisters. Once you're done mixing, add in another splash. You should notice the glue starting to become tougher. Go ahead and add in another splash, brothers and sisters. you should notice that it's getting very hard to mix. Just keep going. Eventually, we'll stop using our mixing spoon and we'll use our hands. Add in another splash and let's keep mixing. Now you can see our slime is really getting together. Add in the last of your solution onto the slime. Now take the slime into your hands and start kneading it. This just means to pound together the slime into your hands. This will be much easier than using a spoon because it's far too tough now. This is where it gets really fun. Keep kneading the dough, brothers and sisters. If the slime isn't staying together or is still too rough, pour in some more saline solution right onto the slime. If you're getting tired, you can ask your ates, your kuyas, or your parents to help you. Keep kneading the slime until you're satisfied with the consistency. Good job, brothers and sisters. I'm very proud of all of you.
So make sure, brothers and sisters, to share with your siblings and wash your hands.